Now, we know that LG's OLED TVs already make great gaming TVs, but what if your LG OLED TV could curve on command into a dedicated gaming monitor while still going flat when you wanted to watch TV? That's exactly what you get with the LG OLED Flex, so let's go take a closer look. The LG OLED Flex does what the name suggests. It flexes from a flat 4K 42-inch display to a 900R curve when fully bent, though you can customize the curve to your exact liking. It even has arc presets if you want to use them. At its core, the LG OLED Flex is kind of like the LG C2 OLED. It's powered by the latest Alpha 9 Gen 5 processor. It also has the EVO panel, even though the 42-inch non-bending C2 doesn't. It also has an added anti-reflective coating, which is super helpful for sitting up close. Looking at the LG OLED Flex, it looks way more like a gaming monitor than a traditional TV. It comes complete with a large stand that houses an HDMI 2.1 port array and some cool backlighting effects that you can also customize. But make no mistake, it's a TV with WebOS 22, so it has all your favorite streaming apps and smart home platforms. So you do get some versatility between entertainment and gaming, which we've definitely seen in an upward trend with these hybrid entertainment screens. But then again, LG already had some of these best-in-class gaming features built into its TVs, such as low lag times and the game optimizer menu. But the OLED Flex takes things one step further for gaming on OLED, which alone promises great contrast, deep blacks, and a very wide color gamut. Of course, we want to test some of these things out in our lab, but there are a ton of reasons to be interested in this if you want the best of both worlds. Plus, there are going to be some unique gaming features on the OLED Flex that may not be on the LG C2 OLED, but we'll be sure to cover those when we do get this thing into review. The LG OLED Flex is available soon with a retail price of $2,999 US. Yes, that is more expensive than a regular LG C2 OLED TV, but with that you're getting an EVO panel and the spectacle of this curving screen. Be sure to let us know what you think and follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Tom's Guide. We actually did show off a little bit more of the LG OLED Flex there, and of course our full hands-on is on tomsguide.com. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you next time.